Hey, Mark, Brian, Fitness for Life. We're going to do some push-ups today, video number 2.
Okay, so we're going to use a Hindu push-up variation. Okay, now this is can be a little bit more challenging, but it's also a tremendous exercise because what you're going to see is going to mobilize your back. It's going to mobilize the shoulders through greater ranges of motion. It's going to mobilize your hips, your hamstrings. So you're involving a whole lot more muscles with this one. So this is how we do it. Now, this is typically done on the floor. But again, we modify it on elevated surfaces so you can build your way up to it. And if you decide you never want to get to the floor, you like the elevated surface, just stay there. Doing something is better than not doing anything. So we're going to start with just a shoulder width hand placement. You're going to start with his rear back and kind of bend over. Then he's going to drive his nose right towards that surface. Then as he gets there, that's where the push-up comes, but allowing everything to bend back here. So you get a good mobilization on that whole front side, a good stretch, good for mobilizing your back. Then push your rear back again and repeat. So you're just making this sweeping motion here, just like these. And that's perfect. Now, again, modify how much range of motion you used on that, because if you have back, you should not go into back pain. So if you do, you're arching too much. So just like Brian did, he modified that arch. So just slow yourself down with that. Find the level that's comfortable for you. Again, 1 to 3 reps would be a great place to start with this. Not anymore. If you have further questions, contact us at fitness4lifept.com.